Hello and welcome to week 3. This week is a lighter week than last week. We will be continuing what we started last week actually, and continuing our discussion around the use of technology to assist in the assessment and support of students, as well as developing reading assignments and assessments that really support the 4-step assessment process aligned to our Common Cores. So for this week, again, you will be working with your group in a collaborative project, applying the knowledge and skills from this week. So you'll be designing a rubric for a specific reading assessment aligned to the Common Core, engaging in a peer review of that, and then continuing to look at assessment by analyzing assistant technology to assess. So I again would encourage everyone to we're reading chapter 4 this week, to have the readings and resources completed by Wednesday. There's a formal reading assessment video. It's about 23 minutes. Great resources around assistant technology by the International Literacy Association and our online lecture you're watching now. So as before, I encourage you to start first with a collaborative professional practice working with your team. There's 4 steps that's guided through using the textbook and the resources. So start with the directions, go to the rubric, and set up early time to work with your group. Your draft of your professional practice is due on Thursday. You're responding individually to your peers' posts by Friday, so your group can collectively come back together to post their final practice by Sunday. In addition to the collaborative assignment, you have an individual leadership forum that continues to look at the ways we use technology to assess student learning. That initial post is due on Thursday and responses by Sunday. So again, this is the individual post is due Thursday. One person will be posting your professional practice also by Thursday. Individually, you'll be responding to both forums, and then you'll post your groups by Sunday. If there are any questions regarding week 3, again, I encourage you to post those in our Q&A, providing each other. If you came across a great resource that you think would be really helpful, it's a wonderful place to share those as well. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great week.